Hello. Okay, so this is my attempt at getting you to be a trader within like 3 videos, basically. You know, the way I'm not going to go into my backstory. This is it. Okay, so basically, the market's opened. Okay, it's opened what, half an hour ago. You know, it's going up there. You can see. Look at this map. This map, super indicator. Gives you all the sectors there. All the stocks that you trade are grouped into these sectors: technology, services, basic materials, financial, consumer goods, industrial goods, utilities. You can see that healthcare is not doing too well at the moment. It's COVID-19. You know, this is an example of where you might make your own conclusion. Oh, healthcare must be doing amazing. You know, you've got all the information in front of you. There's no need to guess. Okay, so that's just a little you know, don't get excited. Basically, get excited when you start making money. But until then, there's no point. You know. And so, especially, you know, if you took a healthcare stock, it went up or whatever, then, you know, it's a whole thing. You have to learn it, you know, and this is what I'm trying to teach you. So, let's have a look at the news here. So I should go to Market Watch first. So I'm going to go to Market. I'm going to do exactly how I would do, because I haven't looked at the markets yet. So I'm going to show you how quick it is to actually just get into it. You know, this video will probably be about half an hour to 45 minutes, you know, and I'll find a trade. I will find a trade when I do this. I'm telling you right now. I'll find a trade and it will probably win, you know, and then I might find 2 or 3 trades, you know, doing this video. So I'm just, you know, I'm at a blank state now. I don't know that I'm gonna, you know, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I know that I can. It's all rational. It's not like, oh, is there any mysteriousness to it? Is there a mystique to it? No, there's not. It's just finding, because there's a high probability of winning a trade when I take one. There's a high probability that when I do this video, I'll take a trade and it'll win, you know, and especially because I am feeling quite sharp, you know, sharp-witted at the moment. So anyway, this is the European markets. That's fine. They all look up. Okay, fair enough, you know. I'm coming towards the end of the day with the European markets. Yesterday was a terrible day, so they're obviously just rebounding here, but I don't pay any attention to that really because I'm trading the US markets. So the pound went down a while ago. No, the pound went down against the dollar really low, and I just saw it on the news, and I know where the pound and dollar is, and I thought, okay, I didn't know it, but I thought, okay, now would be a good time to buy the pound because it's too low. You know, you can see it, an overextension. You know, it's the type of thing you're looking for, and that's the type of thing I'm going to explain in this video. But first and foremost, you know, you want to be looking at the main news, getting a feel for the day, what's going on. You know, now we know that the markets have you know, shot up a bit in the morning there just by looking at that. Oh, this is so annoying, it's not working. Maybe that has gone through. Okay, look. This is the American news here. Jobless claims saw again at April's layoffs swell to nearly 17 million. There we go. We're getting all these charts. This is the new buzz thing. People are just posting charts. So, you know, they're catching up with me, you know. Well, they're catching up with the traders of the world, you know, who love charts. Fed announced lead lending plans to apply. Okay, so you wanna absorb this a bit. You know, you wanna absorb this news. You know, absorb it. This is the main page of Market Watch. This is going to give you a real good feel, you know, for the markets. You know, everyone's going to be looking at this. Everyone's going to have this information, and it's not much. That's all you need to really do. You know, look at the headlines, see what's going on. Stuff will happen during the day, you know, but obviously you'll probably get an indication of something going to happen by reading this. So look, let's have a look. So starting at the top, jobless claims saw again in early April. Layoffs sweltering in December. So that's people losing their jobs. Worry, you know, economy not good. You know, basically, it's not a good sign for the economy as a whole because everybody knows that if people aren't working, they're all just getting free money in their pockets. Then inflation will, you know, happen unless they manage to do something spectacular. You know, I think they're going to put the population into debt. You know, that's what they're going to do. They're going to put the population who have taken this free money, they're going to make them pay it back. You know, that's what's going to happen. Anyway, luckily I'm not getting any of that free money, you know. Maybe I am siphoned through my employer. Maybe I am getting the free money because my employer's doing 30% of this business. But to be fair, the work that I'm doing, the delivery job, because I'm doing deliveries at the takeaway, so I'm doing deliveries at the takeaway, and that's the only business they're doing is deliveries. So basically, I'm effectively, I'm not taking any money. All the money I'm making is just what I'd normally get. I'm not getting anything extra. So anyway, look, Ferdinand, so obviously, you can't say it's all doom, it's all, you've got to gauge how good is it, what's going on for, what's going on against. Ferdinand's new lending plan said it will provide 2.3 trillion in support for economy. Stocks rally as Fed pledges more support after jobs rate. So, the government are backing down a bit, the government are very much backing down because the government are human, and they just want to carry on as much as the rest of us, so... Treasury yields pair decline after Fed seems disappointing job claims data, which I don't know what that means. Which equity markets and other asset trading exchanges are closed on Good Friday? But whatever. Oil prices climb. We all know that oil has been bottoming, and I did a video a while ago. I don't even think I posted it. I was talking about oil. Anyway. GE, talk about specific companies here, General Electric, there's Starbucks, earnings cut roughly in